How do you scale a software team fast without breaking quality? Scaling a software team effectively is a critical challenge for growing businesses. Traditional hiring can be slow and resource-intensive, often hindering innovation. Strategic outsourcing offers a powerful alternative, providing access to specialized talent and accelerating your development cycles. This approach allows companies to expand capabilities without the overhead of permanent hires. It's about smart growth, leveraging global talent pools to meet dynamic project demands. Before engaging any external partner, clearly articulate your project scope and technical needs. Identify the specific roles, skill sets, and experience levels required to complement your in-house team. A precise understanding of your objectives is paramount for successful outsourcing. This initial clarity prevents scope creep and ensures alignment with potential vendors. Documenting your expectations thoroughly will serve as a foundational blueprint for the entire engagement. Choosing a partner goes beyond just cost. Evaluate their track record, industry experience, and technical expertise relevant to your domain. Look for transparent communication practices and a strong cultural fit with your organization's values. Consider their project management methodologies and their ability to integrate seamlessly with your existing processes. A reputable partner acts as an extension of your team, not just a service provider. Once a partner is selected, prioritize a structured onboarding process. Provide comprehensive access to necessary tools, documentation, and team members. Integrate the outsourced team into your communication channels from day one. Foster a sense of belonging and shared purpose. This proactive approach ensures that the external team quickly becomes productive and feels like a valued part of your overall operation. Effective communication is the bedrock of any successful outsourced partnership. Implement regular stand-ups, progress meetings, and dedicated communication platforms. Define clear reporting structures and feedback loops. Encourage open dialogue and transparency to address challenges promptly. Consistent, clear communication minimizes misunderstandings and keeps everyone aligned with project goals. Regularly review the outsourced team's performance against agreed-upon metrics and deliverables. Provide constructive feedback and celebrate successes to build morale. Treat them as an integral part of your extended workforce. Cultivate a collaborative environment where both in-house and outsourced teams feel empowered to contribute. This strategic oversight ensures quality, efficiency, and long-term success in scaling your software capabilities. Visit our website today